Hello, this is Danfoss Icon 230 volt in-wall programmable room thermostat, and I will show you how to dismount it and mount it back. For dismounting you would need this kind of tool, which is usually added into the box. Then you buy a new thermostat. So I push it here and bend a little bit from one side, push it here, bend from another side, one more time from this side. Here it comes. Okay, here is the frame. Unscrew here, and let's see how it is connected. It is connected here with 5 wires, so 2 wires are for mains supply, third wire is for actuator control. Thermostat can control up to 5 actuators. Actuators can be connected directly to the thermostat or can be connected through controller, Icon 230 volt controller box. Fourth wiring is needed for cooling mode, and away mode means setting away temperature. This is something like a remote settings. And the last 2 ports are used for underfloor sensor, which is usually used for underfloor temperature measuring, and of course temperature control. Okay, so let's mount here we go. Now it is mounted and we can power up to see if everything works correctly. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.